In this video, we will go over the basic functionality of the seam removal node. In this example, we have a material that is non-tiling. If we zoom in and press Tab to enable tiling, there is a clear seam line along the borders. By pressing C, we can see this occurring on all maps. To fix this, we'll create a seam removal node by pressing spacebar for the quick access menu and use the material as an input. We'll just leave the settings at default and execute the node. Let's inspect the material by zooming in, and by pressing I and O, you can see the before and after results. We'll just check the other channels to ensure that they are also seamless. If you'd like to control how much the material is affected by the seam removal node, we can do this by adjusting the border width. So let's expand the border and re-execute the node. This controls how much coverage the seam removal occurs along the material. If we change it to a very low number, only the area that is highlighted gets manipulated. By default, the border widths are constrained to one another. You can unlink the values if, for example, you only want to bring in the border along the x-axis. In addition to the border amount, you're also able to change the color of the border and its opacity. Just keep note that this is used purely as a visual aid. After executing the node, you can always generate a new seed and re-execute for a different result.